The Automated Radiation Measurements for Aerospace Safety, or ARMAS app, is downloadable for iOS but is not currently available for Android. To download the ARMAS app, navigate to the App Store and type in ARMAS, ARMAS Radiation. The ARMAS app will have a blue globe as the icon and will be published by Space Environment Technologies. Download the app by hitting the blue Install button at the top where mine says Open, since I have already downloaded the app. Navigate back to the main menu and hit the blue user icon in the top right corner. Now click Redeem Gift Card or Code. Then press Enter Code manually. Once a valid code is entered, you can hit the Redeem button in the top right corner. Once completed, navigate to the ARMAS app icon. Before using the ARMAS app, you can hit the Information button in the top right corner to learn more about the ARMAS program. Or you can hit the button to the left of that to find definitions on words used in the ARMAS app. You can check if your promotion code was applied by clicking the Upgrade button in the top left corner. If your promotion code was applied, you'll see no cost next to the professional or previous versions of the app. When you press the Understanding Radiation Sources button, you will find a visual representation of in-flight radiation and some of the elements that cause radiation. Press once on the image to find more information about these terms. By scrolling to the bottom of this page, you can find important information about exposure to radiation. For example, every 10 hours of flight at 36,000 feet for mid-latitudes approximates one chest X-ray of exposure. Press the text once to get back to the image of in-flight radiation and press the Home button to get back to the main menu. You can find graphs using live data for the current radiation conditions by hitting the ARMAS graph icon in the top left corner. Here you can adjust the altitude level for the Northern Hemisphere and the Southern Hemisphere to produce real-time graphs. The colors on the image, as shown on the axis on the right, represent different levels of radiation on the globe. You can also view current radiation conditions by hitting the NIRAS icon in the top right corner to view the nowcast of atmospheric ionizing radiation systems model. You can view live graphs and images for solar conditions by hitting the sun icon in the bottom left corner. Since these images are produced from live data, they may take a moment to load from the server. You can also find live graphs and images for terrestrial conditions by hitting the Earth icon in the bottom right corner. Press the Global Radiation Conditions button in the bottom menu to view radiation graphs for 20 km and 90 km altitudes and various longitudes. By pressing the Flight Window button, you can add flights to your flight list. These can either be registered or custom flights. After entering information such as the ICAO carrier, the flight number, tail number, start date, end date, and name of your flight, you'll be able to see graphs for current global conditions. Use the scroll wheel at the bottom to find graphs of other data. Press the Update Data button to load live graphs and information about your flight path. You can also press the Update Dose Profile button to save your information to the server for future use and tracking of your exposure. Here you can press the Email Report button to automatically share this information in an email. Thank you for watching this video on using the ARMAS app to protect your health by tracking your exposure to ionizing radiation and receiving live updates on space weather events.